What's going on, everyone? Happy Sunday. I hope you guys are all enjoying the long extended weekend. With that being said, I'm doing a ton of research on a bunch of charts, so we are better prepared going into this coming week. With that being said, my name is D. Anthony with evolutiontraders.com. If you guys are interested in learning how to day trade, maybe you guys need a watch list, maybe you guys need help with supply and demand, maybe you guys just want to trade alongside with me, definitely join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below. But let's go ahead and kind of get into Nvidia, the reason why I'm making this video. So I've started to see a lot of people ask me a lot of questions on social media about, is Nvidia a potential buy here right around this 236, 235 area? And I think that before we start loading the boat here for the long term, or maybe for a potential swing trade, we're going to need more information, meaning that we have a lot of geopolitical headlines that are still popping up with Russia and Ukraine. We still have a lot of uncertainty in the market as far as interest rates and inflation. So with that being said, I don't think that we can completely just pile into these stocks now, because this could potentially not be the bottom, and you could potentially just be buying the mid cycle of a next leg down. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to go into a bear market, because the overall indices, meaning the triple Qs and SPYs, are still in corrective state. They are not in an official 20% bear market. However, if we take a look at a lot of stocks that comprise of these indexes, a lot of these stocks are in their own bear market. So with that being said, let's take a look at Nvidia here. We have lows of $230, and why this is so significant, this green box that I have here was a previous area of pretty strong demand, meaning that any time Nvidia's price action was coming into this box, we were consolidating for a next move higher. We would come down here, consolidate, next leg higher. So here we are yet again consolidating in this green box, in this prior demand zone, going back just about 2 weeks now worth of price action. So we can, pretty much say with some conviction that this area between 230 and 240 has been a pretty significant area where buyers feel comfortable stepping in, buying the stock. Now, anything can change with one headline to the upside or to the downside. So what we really want to take notice of here is, if Nvidia starts cracking below $230, I would definitely try to stay away from buying stocks to the long side, because that could potentially put us back down into our next area of demand, and that price is going to be between 216 and 210. So if you are looking for a potential swing trade where you're going to maybe get short on something, although I would recommend against swing trading anything in this environment, just due to the fact that we could have a big down day and then the next day can completely gap up and run like crazy. So it's more so of a cash flow day traders market, but there's always opportunity to get in for some day trades to make some decent money and kind of pay the bills. So what I'm personally looking at going forward this week is, if we do start to lose this 230 area and we can get an hourly close below 230 on the 1 hour time frame, what I would be looking for next is that following 1 hour candle to confirm those new lows below 230, and that's where I want to get short, with a potential of coming down into the 222, 220, 218 area. And I kind of want to cover my position before we hit this next demand zone, just due to the fact that we could find support somewhere in here and start to bounce. And I could see initial support coming in right around 225 and 223. If we do lose those two areas, then we can definitely come down below 220. To the long side, here would be the best possible case for the bulls. We come back down into this zone, we kind of consolidate sideways here, and then we start to push higher. If we do push higher and start taking out the consolidation, I can see an initial push up to 240. If you're a day trader or scalper, you can definitely catch a move very, very short term to 240. Definitely would want to cover your position there, just due to the fact that if this level rejects, we can then see that extended follow through below 230. I think any daily close over 240, let's say 242, 243, is definitely going to have room to push up to the next area of supply, which is going to be 250. Now, in order for us to get extremely bullish on Nvidia going forward, we're still going to have to take out these highs here of 275 and 270. I would like to see a close, a daily candle close over 270. That to me would assure that maybe potentially we're going to see another leg higher on Nvidia. But after we close over 270, I'm going to need to see this close over. I'm going to need to see some sort of back test showing that these previous areas of rejection are going to act as a level of support. And as soon as we can bounce off this price action and push higher, that is when I'm going to want to take my long position. So instead of just piling in down here with a potential of a leg coming down, yes, you could make some money if we do bounce. However, if you are wrong on the move, Nvidia is going to absolutely rip your face off. So instead of looking for that swing play, just look for that day trade. Look for that area of opportunity where you can get in, make a couple of points, and then kind of let the market settle and see where we're at. You're not going to miss out on anything. Guys, if you do like this video, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Also, give me a thumbs up so more traders can see this video before the market opens. And if you guys do want to trade with me live, where I'm kind of marking out these levels intraday so you can have them in real time as we're trading, definitely join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I'm going to see you guys all in the next trading video.